Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Syntax Error. In this video we are going to learn variables in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So variable is this is a very small topic. Actually variable is nothing but a thing which holds your data. Suppose if you have an integer, okay, and you want to get that data or store some integer value, so you need a variable to store it. You cannot directly store it in an integer like that. So you have to you know declare a variable, and the declaration of variable is like this: integer, and suppose we are taking some number is equal to 5. Okay, so this is how you declare a variable. Okay, so this is your data type, this is a variable, and this is the value. So this value can be 0 as well, and if you want to take some data from the user, just keep it 0 and do a scanf, take the data, and you can print or you can process how you want it. Okay, so there are some rules of declaring a variable which I'll show you right now. Okay, so every variable name should start with an alphabet or an underscore. Suppose this is very simple, like you have to start your variable name such thing like with an alphabet only. Like suppose if you put something here 2 or any numerical value or something like that, it will give you an error. Okay, so that is not allowed in C programming language or in most of the programming languages. Okay, so you have to start with a alphabet or an underscore. Okay, and then you have no spaces are allowed in variable declaration. Suppose if you are declaring something like a character. Okay, suppose if you're declaring some character, or just we'll take an example of number only. The number is space 1 or something. Okay, space 1. So this is going to give you an error because there is no space allowed. Like if you're giving some variable name as hello world, so you have to remove the space and make a variable name like this without any spaces. If you do like this, let's see how what's the error comes, like how it runs. Okay, so it gives you an error because this is not allowed in C programming language or any most of the languages. So I'll just remove this. Okay, so except underscore, no other special symbols are allowed. Okay, so suppose if you want to give a, like how I told you, like if you don't want to give a space, you can give a underscore like this. Okay, so you won't be having any problem in that, or and only this is allowed. You cannot put exclamation mark or at the rate sign. Only this is allowed, and these are the some rules which you have to follow to do a coding, and which everyone has to follow. Okay, let's see. This is not allowed. This is hyphen. This is called hyphen. So this is not allowed, and this is allowed. Underscore is allowed. Okay, and then maximum length of a variable is 8 characters. If you exceed more than 8 characters, it depends on your compiler, like if it allows or not, or on your operating system. But maximum is 8 character, and you should be like it's better to keep a practice of keeping a small variable name, small, easy, understandable, like which will help you recognize it. Okay, and no keyword should access variable name. Suppose if this is a keyword, okay, this is a keyword, then we have float is a keyword, then function is a keyword. So you cannot, you cannot do like int is equal to 5, or int break is equal to 5, like break is a keyword, or there's a different keywords over there. You cannot use it. Okay, that is totally invalid. And one more thing I would like to tell you all, that never use a function name as well for your variables. Okay, so it might not give you any problem, it might give you some warnings, but compiler might get confused or something might happen, and you will face some unnecessary problems. So better keep it simple, and keep in mind that you don't have to use any keyword name or any function names. Okay, So after integer, like there is float. There are like types of data types. I think I have shown you in my previous videos, but I'll let you all know again. There is float. Okay, float is like how you, if you want to put some decimal numbers and all like that, then you have to put float. Like what will do 5, or height will do, and number 2, keep it simple. Okay, and then we have character. Character will put name. Okay, and remember one thing, if you're declaring a character, okay, uh, and giving it a value, so it will always come in a single quote. Like I will put a scene, and there is a double, or we can put long. This can be like 100 or 122. This is for a long integer. They like if it, like suppose if you want to put a longer integer like mobile numbers or something like that, so you have to use long. Or else if you use int numbers, there might be some problems, complications like warnings, or it might not take much data. So if you are taking a long big numbers like in thousands or lakhs, or any phone numbers if you're taking, so you have to use long. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Okay, so if you all have liked the video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. So till then, happy coding. Bye bye.